I'm Reid. It's Today in Lighting, Tuesday, 3 November, Election Day. And here are the stories we are following. The DOE has announced a workshop February 1st through the 4th. The best part is it's free. Details on Edison Report. On designing lighting, we have a beautiful job from Fisher Marantz Stone, the Embry-Riddle Student Union. Pictures are unbelievable. We've looked into the IES Lighting Library, and this is maybe the best deal in the history of lighting ever. 50% discount for active IES members. Check it out at designinglighting.com. SATCO has an opening for a regional manager. Check it out at Edison Report. And yesterday was a good day for the market. All three indices were up, and of the stocks we followed, they were all positive, with Acuity up almost 4% and Signify up almost 5%. That's it. Go light up the world, vote, and have a great day.